There's a very good friend of mine also walking the beach pretty often. In the morning, we cross each other's path. He was a former managing director of a very well-known Sri Lankan publishing house. And the other day, he was chatting with a very humble-looking gentleman. And then he came to me. I've seen this gentleman humbly walking, even crossing my path. Then my friend came to me and asked, "Do you know who this gentleman is?" I said, "No." I said, "I've seen him walking. I've seen him crossing my path too in the morning." He said he was the former Chief Justice of Sri Lanka 2 years ago. Then I realized this man, I remembered, he did an excellent position, excellent functionality for his position. And I realized how every morning, very humbly, he is walking. And I think sometimes the positions carried us to a certain distance. Probably this man, after 40 years, probably reached the pinnacle of his career, becoming the Chief Justice of Sri Lanka. That's an awesome position. But when you retire, you're no longer a Chief Justice. You are retired Chief Justice. Sometimes we human beings so engrossed, interwoven with our professional positions, and then we cannot get out of it. Even after leaving those jobs, even retiring, we still have the mentality of that profession. And seeing this man humbly walking, unassumingly, with nobody beside, gave me the thought, these positions one day leaves you. What counts is not your position, your disposition. In our lives, that we are privileged to have various positions and demonstrate various professional engagement. But that is for a short period of time. In the countries like Sri Lanka, in Asia, the dignity of the position counts. You always want to relate and say, "Oh, this guy is a retired so-and-so, retired this one, retired that one." But ladies and gentlemen, what is important is not the position, your disposition. While you have the privilege of reaching whatever the career pinnacle in your profession, these are there for a short time. Your human qualities, your human attributes are not measured by your position. It is indeed measured by your disposition and how you demonstrate that professional position, even while you are doing it and even after you have done it and retired from that profession. Sometimes we cannot get out of the mentality. We continue to think like a judge or a lawyer or a banker in our retired life as well, when we move away from those positions. It is time that we recognize that how important is our disposition to connect, to enrich others, not our position. You can empower people, you can enrich people, you can give life to people, not through your position, but your disposition. That is what people will value. And if you are able to do that, you can bring tremendous amount of character to your life. And thereby people will appreciate not your position, your disposition.